Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Sometimes unexpected problems show up without warning, like this nail in my tire. Well, here is how I took care of it and kept moving. Okay. So guys, I got this package. And guess what is in there? Something. Lift it up a little. That's good. Let's open that. So it's a tire inflator. Let me open it up. It's so portable. So portable. It's for tire inflator. So what I'm gonna do is I'll show you. So I'm gonna put the plug in here. And then this is gonna be in the cigarette area. I'm gonna show you. Sorry it's so loud in here. Some guys are doing some work upstairs. And it's why it's so loud. Anyway, let's take you outside.
So guys, this is what happened. And this is a Tesla Model Y. As you can see, Tesla. And then the tire is flat. So that thing that we just showed you, the inflator, it's gonna fill this tire. So yeah.
Guys, so this is gonna go into this hole right here. So it's in this hole. Then I'm going to take this. Can you loosen it up for me? Better?
Yes.
Okay. And then I'm going to power on. So right now the pressure is at 2 psi, and I'm going to at least get it up to 42 or so. Let's see. Let's see how long it's gonna take.
What?
Right now it's 2:48. Let's see how long it's gonna take to fill up. Right now it's 2:48. Right now it's at 10. So if I can get it up to 43, that would be good. Although the recommended PSI is 42. But just to get me to the tire place. So this is the tire I just got. I'm gonna take it to the tire shop and switch it around. So guys, it has reached its maximum capacity. I think I set it to 43, so it's at 43. So I'm gonna take it right away to the tire shop to change it. To switch the tire. I have the spare tire already delivered, so I'm gonna take it over there so they can change it for me. Yep. I recommend this tire inflator for every car owner to have one in their car just in case of an emergency. Yep, I got it on Amazon, and this is the name of the brand I got. My brother's cousin recommended this, and I'm not regretting it. So talk to y'all later. I'll catch you guys along. Bye.
I thought you do it in the middle.
You do it on the side because
Is that supposed to happen?
check it out.
I'm so rich.
Oh, good guy. How you doing, sir? Oh, bien, bien, acá estamos, mira. ¿Qué dices? What's wrong with
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is he one of these?
This part. So that's trying to take out the rain
What do I have to be here?
so I can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Here you own line.
Oh, do you keep it here?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Okay, I don't want it.
Oh, you know.
Yeah. What is this thing in there?
Oh, the foam.
Oh, does that have it too?
No.
It doesn't have it?
Nah, no problem.
I think
Are you sure?
you got this with the Tesla.
No problem.
Oh.
Wait, can we please keep it?
What is this? What is that?
Soap.
Soap. Oh, to clean.
Mommy,
Yeah?
when we get to our house, I can take it through this.
Can you help him grab it?
Thank you.
It's tired.
Look at the foot. Just sit on it.
Is my butt itchy?
Yeah. It's dirty.
Shake the pressure.
Gosh.
Oh,
There's no
backyard.
space in the garage. Oh.
Backyard.
Ask Daddy. Call him. So can you keep the tire?
Hello? How do you say it? How do you say hi?
Bawoni. Bawoni, Daddy.
Bawoni, Daddy. I said Bawoni was how are you?
How are you, Daddy? Oh, the cousin, so.
Oh.
Hurry up, because we're gonna leave now.
This. Leaf, trees, beef, beef. Car. When did you get the time?
Mabo. Jacob, come. I have to clean your hands are dirty.
I know. Can I use the hand sanitizer? Can I get the trunk? Punch.
What is wrong?
Or I can use this to clean my hand. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
No, thank you. My son said he wants to play with this.
No.
I guess.
Hey.
No, you said you want to play with it.
For what?
So I'm done changing the tire,
Just download Chicken Pig.
and
Mommy,
I need to go wash my car now. It's
Mommy,
so
just-
dirty.